It's pretty amazing when I think backwards 20 years and, you know, think of where I was in a little 1,500 square foot shop, you know, just doing what I like to do. And it's really built into what this is today.
Ryan was around before all the other guys was doing it, and I was around before all the other guys was doing it. So people, when you see us, just say thank you.
How many cars have we done? We've done 8. Oh my goodness.
So Will pushes the envelope on us. He always wants us to do bigger and better things from the last build that we did.
It's the freshest, coolest, dopest thing on the road.
I really like and appreciate the mind that you have.
The thing is, like, I get them in my head, and now I got a really good team upstairs where we can put them on paper, and then my team out in the back can build it.
I was like shocked, like we were like mocking it up, and it looked way better in person. It's like crazy.
Oh my God, look at that car. What a work of art.
This company isn't ran like a corporation, it's ran like a family. You know, and my family's part of this family.
Right outside that street is where Big Dane left me when he didn't pay my bill.
3 Customs is coming to Berlin.
This is the dopest thing in life.
It's officially Jeffree Star approved. This might be the most iconic car I own now.
That is nasty. Like, I don't even want to drive this no more. This should just be here, right here.
West Coast Customs, you see it. We built the incredible truck, the incredible Tundra. We put the toy in Toyota, baby. Let's go.
He's such a talented guy, and these guys are so good at what they do. Just give me a ballpark of what it's going to be and surprise me.
We're going to do this, we're going to make history.
Freaking phenomenal and amazing.
Yeah.
Come on in for the real thing.
This is so good.
Brought some plans. I call it the tailgate 2000.
Let's go, lock him up here.
I'm gonna have the first ever West Coast Customs Edition Charger. Once we deliver this car and it's loaded into the dealership, I feel like it's finally done and we're open for business.
We went from building mini trucks to building a roller coaster. That's a pretty amazing accomplishment. So who knows what's next?